Let's see how you can have fun swapping your face with any celebrity or any picture in general. Step 1. We need to install Insight Face Swap on our Discord server, where we generate our Midjourney images. Please find the link to Insight Face Swap bot in description of this video. Step 2. Invite the bot by clicking on the link and add it to your Midjourney server. Step 3. In order to use your face in any existing image, you need to create your ID. Using the /SaveID command. Let's use this. Upload your image. And then for the ID name, I'm just going to use Priya. So let's go ahead and hit enter. And now an ID name has been created. So let's go ahead and prompt an image with Midjourney. A close-up headshot of a woman warrior standing in front of giant futuristic city, looking at camera. So now we have these images. Let's swap out the face on these using your ID created as earlier. Let's go ahead and upscale few of them. I come down to apps. We should see a new option that says /swap ID. Upload the image which you want to swap into and enter your ID name. In my case, it was Priya. And it's that simple. Target image has your face.